In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. So over here, I'm on their website right now, and if you go down here at the very bottom, it says over here, Cryptomania withdrawal. So if I click on this right now, it's going to explain everything over here. So let's just go down here where it says no deposit needed, no real money involved. So Cryptomania uses in-game virtual currency that cannot be withdrawn to a real-world bank account. Now, you can hone your trading skills and experiment with different strategies without putting any of your actual money at risk. So what this means is all the currency or the virtual money on Cryptomania is basically just virtual, and it's just a virtual in-game currency that you can't actually withdraw because it's not real money. It's just used on here on the platform, and you can use it inside the in-game shop where you can buy different cool things. But there's no actual way to withdraw money from Cryptomania because that money is not real, and it's basically just a platform where you can learn how to become a good trader and basically start trading with the currency on there without needing to deposit any real money. So that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, you can't actually withdraw the funds from Cryptomania because they're not real. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.